Jumbo. Jumbo. Jumbo was the name given to the first African elephant to survive long-term in Europe since classical Rome. Arriving in London in 1862, Jumbo became a celebrity. Queen Victoria and her family liked to visit him, and Winston Churchill rode on Jumbo's back as a little boy. He was dearly loved in London until he was bought by the famous American circus leader P.T. Barnum. English journalists, art critics, and even lawyers attempted to stop the sale, but eventually it went through in 1882. Jumbo, promoted as the biggest elephant in the world, now had to travel with the circus. And indeed, at 4 meters height, he is at the high end of African elephant size, but maybe not the world's biggest. Anyway, he was difficult to transport, and sadly, 3 years later, he died in a train accident. But really, for P.T. Barnum, size was the important thing, and the circus continued to display first his stuffed body and later his skeleton. The word jumbo had been noted in English centuries before Jumbo the elephant arrived in England. It was connected with the phrase mumbo jumbo, and that was an interpretation of an African folk tale. Mumbo jumbo was thought to be a mysterious doctor or wizard, and it was an easy way to create an image of mystical Africa. These days, there are two main words connected with jumbo: jumbo jet and jumbo shrimp. A jumbo jet is also called a wide-bodied aircraft, and it is defined as having space for 2 aisles for passengers to walk down. Jumbo shrimp are just, well, big shrimp. In the US, people tend to say shrimp. In the UK, it's prawn. Although in both places, you can say king prawn to mean the same thing as jumbo shrimp. Finally, we all know the sizes small, medium, and large, but when you need to go beyond large, you go jumbo size. So when you hear that something is jumbo, it means that it is so huge that even extra large doesn't sound big enough. Mom, stop calling me Jumbo Jr. I'm Dumbo. I've appropriated the pejorative to turn the narrative around on my attackers. Jeez, don't you get it?